eVTOLs, represented as the future of civil aviation, offering significant benefits such as reduced costs, shorter travel times, and a sustainable transportation solution. These electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft are set to transform how we travel, making urban air mobility more accessible and efficient. Meet the future of urban air mobility, the Lilium jet. The concept of electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft has been around for decades, but it wasn't until recent advancements in battery technology and electric propulsion that these ideas began to take flight. Lilium GmbH, a German aerospace company, was founded in 2015 by 4 engineers and entrepreneurs: Daniel Wiegand, Sebastian Born, Matthias Meiner, and Patrick Nathan. Their vision was to create a new mode of air transportation that was both sustainable, cheap, and efficient, addressing the challenges of urban congestion and environmental impact. In 2015, Lilium developed its first half-scale demonstrator, Falcon, marking the beginning of their journey. By 2017, they had successfully flown the 2-seat Eagle prototype, which was crucial in testing and refining their technology. In 2019, the 5-seat Lilium jet prototype took flight, demonstrating the transition from vertical to horizontal flight. Despite a significant setback in 2020 when the first prototype was destroyed by fire, Lilium continued to innovate, focusing on a 7-seat version. The Lilium jet is an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that uses 36 electric duct fans for propulsion, enabling vertical takeoff, landing, and horizontal flight. It aims for a range of approximately 280 kilometers and is powered by a 1 megawatt lithium-ion battery, requiring less than 150 kilowatts to cruise. The Lilium jet has 0 operating emissions, making it environmentally friendly. The aircraft's key technologies include its electric duct fans, which are quieter and more efficient than traditional propellers, and its advanced battery technology, which ensures high power output and efficiency. The design optimizes aerodynamics for both vertical and horizontal flight, and the aircraft incorporates multiple safety features, including redundant systems for its electric motors and flight controls. The Lilium jet is designed to cruise at a speed of around 300 kilometers per hour, making it a fast and efficient option for urban air mobility. The cabin is designed for comfort, with seating for 6 passengers and 1 pilot, and features large windows for panoramic views. The battery technology is a critical component, providing the necessary power for vertical takeoff and landing as well as efficient cruising. The Lilium jet's electric duct fans reduce noise pollution, making the aircraft suitable for urban environments, and its zero emissions align with global efforts to reduce the carbon footprint of aviation. The success of the Lilium jet could lead to the development of new infrastructure, such as vertiports, to support eVTOLs operations, further integrating this innovative technology into urban environments. However, the journey has not been without challenges. The 2020 fire incident was a significant setback, and the high-power delivery requirements of the propulsion system present ongoing technical challenges. Despite these hurdles, Lilium's continued innovation and investment in battery technology and electric propulsion are driving the future of sustainable air travel. The Lilium jet was initially intended to launch commercially in 2024 but was delayed to 2025, pending regulatory approvals and further testing. The Lilium jet is the first step to improving the future of urban air mobility and all of civil aviation.